How to use Gemini AI in Google Drive to summarize your documents. Let's say you have a doc already uploaded inside of your Google Drive, and if you're trying to summarize this document, then you just simply need to click on the Gemini option that is visible on the top right of the screen. But however, if you're trying to use this feature, you need to have the Pro version. So if you click on the try it out option, it's going to take you to the new section where you can see you need to take a subscription of one of those services. But however, if you're trying to use this feature for free, there is a separate option of Google, which is the Notebook LM. You can just head over to the website, click on try Notebook LM, and you can directly link your Google account inside of this platform. Click on the create new option. And right here, you'll see the option called Google Drive. You can simply click on it and then just select the folder or the file that you're trying to create a summary of. You can just click on this file and then click on insert. And there you go. The file now has been uploaded and you can now add in any prompt. So once you add in any sort of prompts, you can just click on the arrow. And depending upon what file and folders that you might have, it's going to give you a short summary and depending upon what sort of prompt you've added in. So I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.